In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Bluetooth at the top. Then tap on this switcher to activate it and just wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, mine were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!